Hey there folks, have you ever wondered who blocked you on Telegram? Maybe you're not receiving their messages or you can't see their profile anymore. Well, you're in luck because we're going to show how to find out who blocked you on Telegram. Tip number 1. Check your chat history. The first thing you can do is to check your chat list. If someone has blocked you on Telegram, their chat will disappear from your list. If you notice that a certain chat is missing, there's a good chance that person has blocked you. Try sending a message. If you're not sure, try sending a message to the person you think might have blocked you. If the message doesn't go through and you don't receive any kind of notification, it's possible that you have been blocked. Tip number 3. Look for profile changes. Another way to tell if someone is blocked you on Telegram is to look for profile changes. If you can no longer see their profile pic, bio or last seen status, it's possible that they have blocked you. So there you have it folks. 3 ways to find out who blocked you on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech related videos. See you in the next one.